588. First, we notice that we have an imperfect community here, but then these non-neighbors are intersection of two lines, so they have to be eliminated. So the same goes here, 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 here. Then I got stuck, and I ended up doing the actual DFS on the board, meaning that I assume this is a bulb, and then follow through, and got a contradiction. So the bulb must be placed here, and the rest is easy. But this is not a proper way of solving the puzzle, and I disliked it. After I watched Ezra's solution, I eventually came up with an approach within my community building framework. It's a bit contrived in hindsight, but hindsight today could be foresight tomorrow. And more importantly, I've learned something new. So what I did is I look at this community 1, 2, 3, and it can be covered by 4 red lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a red line because it's a neighbor of 1. Assuming that there's a bulb at this cell, or in fact, on any of these, this, or this, what happens to our community? Now this line is no longer needed. So we have a perfect community here with total value of 3 and 3 red lines. So this is eliminated. And these red lines will turn white. So we have a white line connecting A and B. And BC is another white line because this one is already eliminated. And AC is also a white line. But now we have a triangle with all sides white. This is impossible. Therefore, we must eliminate this cell. So we eliminate this one. So one of these is a bulb. These are not. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. One of these is a bulb. These are not. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. 0 here. One of these is a bulb. This is not. 1 here, 1 here. 0 here. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and we're done. 347. So one of the most important steps is to analyze this pattern here. So we have a community of 2 and 2, which is 4, and we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's a shared neighbor, and 6 because this is one home. Now, if this is a bulb, that reduces the necessary line from 6 to 3, which cannot cover the value of 4. So this is not a bulb. And what about this one? If there's a bulb here, then this line is no longer needed. And so are these double lines. So again, the total value, the total number of lines decreased from 6 to 3, which cannot cover a total value of 4. Therefore, we can eliminate this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we have a bulb here. Now we look at community 1 and 1 and 2 and 2, which is 6. We have one line here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Not enough, so this one must be a bulb. Now a community of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Then this is a bulb. Now hero here, this is a supercell, and this is a supercell. 1, 2. So here, and here's something interesting. So this is a red line because of this 1. So this is green. This is green. This is red. Green, green, red. So this is a bulb. Hero here. Survivor. 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 Hero. Hero. 1, 1, 1. Hero. And we're done. Now let's review the steps. So we started by eliminating 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a bulb here. Now an imperfect community. And this one must be a bulb. Now a community of 4. And a bulb here. 2 supercells. Perfect community. And here from red to green, and green, green, red, triangle rule. Okay, thanks for watching.